everyone, Snowman here from the Owensville Crawlers. It has been a while since I have done a review, intro, video, whatever you want to call it. So here we are. We are working on Mama Snowman's SCX10 Honcho, aka Penis Envy as she calls it. And she ordered herself up a RC4 drive tough armor winch bumper with grill guard to fit the AXIAL SCX10. There's the part number and all if you need it. So I'm going to open it up. Comes in this bag here. And right off the bat, I will tell you, this thing is heavy. This is solid steel. And so here's the bottom. Hopefully you guys can see it okay. Change. There we go. So this is what it looks like. Takes out the core supports in the front. Nice winch hole mounts. I'm assuming probably already ready to fit their winches. And yeah, the only thing I see so far is it doesn't look like it comes with any hardware, so that part sucks, but I'm sure I have some stuff laying around. So let's see if we can get this going real quick. Pull the body out of the way. We got stuff everywhere. Alright, so we are going to take off the looks like the core supports all the way up for the frame, so all this front stuff is all coming off. So we'll grab the tool here and start getting her done. Alright, so we're back after I already took the screws out and everything. What I noticed is this actually fits on the outside. So all the core supports here and the battery support and all that all stays. So this actually just goes on here. I did need some longer screws, so I got some of those. And we're going to get it put together real quick and see what it looks like. So we got the bumper in and set right. I started working on the lights, but before I get all into it, I will show you guys what it looks like. That's what it looks like on this thing. I actually like it. I may lower the body just one notch, but so far so good. So that's going to conclude this video. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed it. I will try to put a link to said bumper in the comments and such below. See you next time.